Yo msupa ako poa. Na Instagram iko na mamanzi. Yes, hello. Mambo. Kukumiss nayo. So you're on your way? Oh, almost. Yeah, but nikutumia map, eh? You're still following the map. Okay. That's cool. I'm also missing to see you. Actually, I'm longing to see you. Sawa. I'm waiting. Kia Instagram nekiega. Reso karianga thana kio kireu. Gweso keria ngatho na kahiki kau kire. Gego kinya. Yes. Welcome.
It's really you.
Yes. Hi.
Hi.
Mambo.
Poa sana.
Yes, good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Have a seat.
Really?
Yeah.
I can have this seat. By the way, nitaenda nayo.
Yeah, you can have it.
Hey, nice.
Yeah.
Kai, this is your house.
Yes, this is my house.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Shana TV ya kikai.
Iko poa.
Inch ngapi?
These are over 60 inches.
Really?
When I'm watching EPL.
Si unaweza nibaia kama hiyo.
No problem. No problem.
Yeah. Unajua hata kwanza nikikuja na huko nilikuwa nimepanda Uber.
Okay.
Yes, Ubare. So you know that.
Ubare. Yeah.
Ubare.
Yeah.
But sasa nikafika mahali mimi niko naenda slow. Nikashuka Uber, nikapanda Taxify.
Oh, what kind of Taxify?
So after panda Taxify, pia niko naenda kama kiona home theater.
I thought you umeona. Sawa.
Home theater yote. Inaka expensive. Ni pesa ngapi?
Not expensive, just 100k.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I would need kama hiyo kwangu.
Okay. Money is not an issue.
Really?
It's like tissue.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
So unasikia nikapanda Taxify. So mimi nikaona pia yeye ana delay, anaenda ni kama hataki na mimi niko na pressure ya kufika.
Jamaa wa Uber akadelay, Taxify akadelay. Okay.
So mimi nikashuka Uber, nikapanda motorbike.
Oh, motorbike.
Yes.
And you become very, very, very fast.
Yes, very fast.
Okay. Oh.
So unasikia, so mimi nikachukua motorbike.
Okay.
So hiyo ndio imenileta mpaka huko.
Oh.
Yes.
That's cool.
Yeah,
that's cool.
Me, I'm loving your house. I want a dispenser.
The dispenser imekushtua.
Uone vile ni supu. Kinaka expensive, ni pesa ngapi?
60,000 only. Only, not expensive.
Kai, that's nice. Kama do. Unaweza duplicate kuja kwangu, ingine kuja kwangu.
No problem. I'll duplicate the money.
You're nice. So awesome.
Yeah, you're so cute.
Sa hata tukiwa hapo, let me tell you vile, you know, bilia zile stuff zenye zimenipata nikikama.
Okay.
So unasikia nimepanda hizo vitu zote mpaka hapa nikafika na motorbike.
So
you see I've spent like around 3,000.
3,000?
Yes.
On transport?
So utahitaji kuni refund.
No problem. I'll refund.
Yes.
3,000?
Yeah, 3,000.
Okay. I'll refund. No problem.
Yes.
1.
Yes.
2.
Yeah, taxi coffee.
Transport. Yes. Now,
this is pocket change.
Yeah, don't worry.
This is nice.
Money is there.
Really?
Yeah.
Hata tukiwa hapo bede sijakwambia everything. So nikipanda boda, you know, msee alikuwa anakuja kirukisha boda huku kwa hizi mamawe, so you know. So akimi kuna time alinirukisha, some of my makeup zikanguka chini, kama unaona sina eyelashes.
makeup yago. Makeup ikaanguka chini.
Kaanguka chini.
Oh, so venye uko saa hii ni bila makeup.
Yes.
With
touch up kidogo tu.
Touch up.
So the touch up, highlight.
The touch up went down.
Yes.
So it became touch down.
Touch down.
No problem.
Alafu suna nadi kucha zangu zilianguka so.
Kucha zako ni za kuwekwa. Zikatoka, zikaanguka.
Zilianguka mpaka gel.
My God, I didn't know they're not man-made. You are so different, but I love
that.
Yeah.
You know, nothing is beautiful in its natural form. Lazima iongezwe. You know, madoido ndio kwa supu. So, same case to a lady, you know.
How much can we spend for that?
So, for that, we need like setting in my eyelashes and everything, maybe around 5,000.
5,000?
Yes.
Only?
Only.
That one is there's no big deal there.
So you can give them to me?
I will do mobile money.
Really?
Yeah, I'll do mobile money.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
so many nice.
Yeah, you can put this in your bag.
Kayokiona dining set. Guy, that is cute.
Cute.
It is cute. Neza pata kama hiyo.
I'll buy for you like that one.
Really?
Like that one.
That would be awesome. I appreciate
it's because you're also awesome.
Yes, because I'm also awesome. You know. Lazima nikuwe awesome because of you.
Ndiraku ni Instagram ine ndiraiga negwika ati negugwetha to wiki hiki githaka muno kia Instagram.
You know, sielewi hiyo.
I'm saying I saw you on Instagram.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. I saw your photo.
Yes.
Na ukitigisha.
Yes.
Nikasema hii lazima nichukue.
Oh, yes. You know, vitu mzuri, you know. Mtu apendangi kitu ovyo. So
I'm very sorry. Let me serve you something.
Yes, actually.
Something. I was drinking some wine here. Something to eat.
Okay, just bring me something.
Just a minute.
Yes, please. God. Anyhow. He has money. Lazima ni spoil. Already I have some few cash in my hands. This is awesome. Kuangukia ni leo. Imeangukia. You're back.
Yeah, I'm back. We are going to do some mchele, then we do some ugali. Gima. Oraima goko hone teto.
I'm sorry, is it nini?
Hii ni mchele. I want to bring some ugali. So a mixture of mchele, some ugali, some mtugo.
Okay, hizi ni za nani za kukula juu? I don't think ni za mtu or otherwise for human consumption.
For human constitution?
Yes, whichever you want to call it. But hizi si za kuliwa na mtu, please.
You don't want this kind of food?
Mimi nakula vitu kama hizi seriously.
Na utakula ugali? Gima.
Excuse me, kwani nakula chakula ya kuku?
Si kuku.
Please. Ugali imetengenezwa na mahindi. And mahindi ni chakula nini?
Kuku.
Yes. Mimi nakulanga kuku but si food yake, please. Hizi chukua upeleke kuku zako if you have huko nje. But usinipe mimi. You think naka hivi juu ya kula chakula ya kuku, please?
No, please.
Please.
Please. Let me take them back, please.
Please take them back.
Wacha nizirudishe, we can do something else.
Yes, please.
If not this, please.
Please.
We'll buy something else,
please. Hata to order. Mimi eat such.
So what can we use, please?
So please, whatever I eat, wacha nikamekenya mimi ukula.
I'm going to order, no problem. Money is there.
Please do. Please order.
Okay.
Tunaweza itisha Uber iende kiletanga na hizo vitu zingine.
I have a friend called Joro. Joro wa Uber from here around. Yes. Let me take my note so that we can note them down. What do you want us to use?
Okay, first, lazima to order. You know, eating is in stages.
Okay.
Kwanza unataka appetizer, you need some appetizers, you know. So for appetizers, unataka some, you know, goat meat, mshikaki meatballs. Some mshikaki meatballs.
Goat meat, mshikakitu. What did you say?
Okay, utaorder vitu zako. Please listen to what I'm saying.
Okay, sawa.
Okay, like goat meat, mshikaki meatballs.
Mushikaki.
Meatballs.
Yes.
Balls
za
meatballs za goat meat zimeko kwa mshikaki, please.
Mushikaki.
Yes.
Thank you. What else? How much is it?
It's around 2,000.
2,000 only.
Yeah, 2,000.
Okay.
From there we can order some, crab claws.
Crab?
Claws.
Crab claws.
Yes, for some appetizers.
Crab. Crab claws.
Yes.
Crab claws.
Yes.
How much is that?
Around 3,500.
3,500.
Yes.
Money is not an issue.
It's not an issue.
No problem. Okay.
From there we can order, from there we can go, at least from appetizer, we can go to now food.
Yes,
food za kukula,
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so we can have some chicken cuisine.
Chicken cuisine.
Yeah.
Chicken cuisine. Chicken cuisine.
And please write it, okay? Unajua wasienda kuleta vitu zao tafadhali.
Chicken cuisine.
Please.
Okay.
Inatoka around 4,000.
4,000.
Yes.
Okay.
I need some lasagna.
Usionedo. Lasagna no.
Kwani unakulanga nini wewe?
Lasagna no.
It's a type of food.
Oh, it is a type of food.
Yes.
Nilikuwa nafikiria unasema lasagna arete.
No.
It is a type of food.
Yes, lasagna. Yeah, ikiwa na
Lazaro.
Please don't write hizo vitu zenye mnasema. Andika kitu unasema lasagna.
Sawa. Okay.
And then uta buy some.
How much is this lasagna?
Lasagna is around 6,000.
6,000.
Yes, only.
Only, yeah.
Yeah.
And as I told you, money is not an issue. It is like
Of course, we need to eat nice. Pesa ziko.
Yeah.
Alafu some vegetable rice,
Vegetable rice.
Za kwenda na ka chicken cuisine,
Okay.
Yeah.
And before, can we do some snacks?
We will still do snacks,
Okay.
There's some desserts.
Okay.
So zitakuja na snacks.
Okay. Snacks zaka how much?
15,000.
Snacks are 15k. 15k is a snacks.
Only, yes.
Okay. Snacks is a 15k.
Yes.
What else, please?
There's drinks.
Drinks.
And drinks, we need drinks like for starters. Lazima tununue like amarula for appetizing.
So amarula is for appetizing.
Yes.
Sasa amarula ni ya appetizer.
Yeah.
Amarura. Is it amarura or amarura? How do you call it? Kwani mnahitaji amarura? Amarura.
Oh God.
Amarura. Yes, you are right. Amarura.
Okay, so it's amarula.
So at the moment our budget is 50,000.
Yeah, but at least atuko done.
Yeah, we are not done yet.
Yes.
No problem.
Yeah, we need some white wine, some red wines, tukikula.
Some white wine.
Yes, and red wine.
So there is amarura, which was appetizer.
Yes.
Now there's wine when we are eating.
Yeah, for the meal now.
I love this Instagram love.
Yes, it's very expensive.
Yeah, but not expensive. I'm also expensive.
Oh, nice. That's why I like you. Una shida na do.
Yeah.
Alafu tumalize na Jamesons, ya ku hype
how
the
many
moment.
Jamesons gapi?
Jamesons kama I think 6 is enough.
Jamesons 6.
Yes.
Ni kidogo sana.
Really?
Kidogo sana.
You can add. Unaweza ongeza.
Let's do 7 of them, eh?
Yeah, 7 is okay.
Yeah. You're welcome. Yeah, this is good. So I think it's around 72,000.
Yeah.
Gidi 72 peke yake.
Peke yake. So umeitisha?
Zilime hivyo.
Ulikuwa unafikiriaje?
You can add zikuwe 75. What else can we add worth 3,000?
3,000.
Yeah, because I have the list of things here.
Tunaweza ongeza maybe some to red velvet to cupcakes.
Red velvet?
Yeah.
Cupcakes. Red velvet.
Yeah.
Red violet. Oh. Violet. Red violet. You said red?
Velvet.
Red velvet.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, that is very good. So 75,000 is okay.
Yeah, 75 is okay.
Yeah, your first time we are spending 75,000.
Very expensive.
Let me call my friend here. Anaitwa Joro wa Uber.
Alete.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, you're so cute.
Sana. Hello.
Hello, Joro. Yes, uko poa? Yes, ule hena muhiki de nake. Minji. Jogo. Rĩu tiga wana rĩu Joro wa Uber. Rĩu ũgwĩka ũguo he message ngũgũtũmĩra. Message iyo ndagũtũmĩra rĩ ya indo iria ciothe ndĩrenda. Urehe gwakwa. No problem. Twaririe. That is my friend. Analeta.
Nice.
Yeah, let me send him the message.
Wow, akina spend hizo zote on me.
Yeah, plus the money. Yeah.
Oh,
actually wacha nimtumie 75,000 na 5,000 za kutoa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Otherwise you look good.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I didn't know uko hivi, you know, was just chatting and scrolling.
Yes.
Instagram, I happened to see this beautiful face. Yeah, look at you. You are just here.
Aki kwanza venye tulikuwa tunaongea kwa DM. And then naona you know venye unajitolea kunispoil.
Yeah.
Venye uko na romantic words. Aki nikajua jamaa ni romantic.
He's the one.
And he's the one. On top of it all.
I mean, nikacheki your videos. And nikacheki, you have sexy eyes.
Oh yes, thank you.
Even a sexy nose. Yeah.
Pia mimi niko naangalia na kwanza niko na do.
Yeah.
Naona najua ni spoil utanispoil.
Yeah.
Tunda Costa kama ni hao yangu yote.
I'm going to spoil you. Yeah.
So I was like,
oh my God.
Wamefika.
It could be Joro. Joro wa Uber.
Can't wait.
Now zikikam, we can just dine, wine.
Yes.
We can do everything.
Everything
just here. Actually, tutazitoa zote. We can.
Yes.
Yeah, you know, there's something that has been trending. Eating when you are
naked. Really?
We are going to do that.
Oh, I can't wait.
Yes, karibu.
Sio muda tumulete muno venigire matumiri kuno kosa
we jiguo kigamba no igwa
kireki
igaga no
muko kosa ma
igwa kwa yoga
kosa we kosa wa ko ina ito we kireki muko nya venigire matumiri kosa mama we ni murenyirie guku guo akura ma kosa ahore oguma
we lakaniki kala bobo
we no toagura no nakadrareka ana toagura nyinyi ni nani hizi ni nani ukomenya hii ni nani waga kwa bagoku kutumie ko mundu kiyo kwa sawari tie kwa samu ukomenya goku mama we ni murenyuithie goku we na ithu tuharie goku
Motiga twikio
hii ni kwa kaya hii gitondu jega ici pio kwa ya
jiguo
kwa jawe kwa sote hana mai
tabai mukira muke mwena uyu
ate
mbio
mwena uria
mukira muthie mwena
ihenya
jiguo gikaya kayo ura kaya weta gacui wega kienda kurekia ni takarika
kawanjukira na mikora
tumie tiri undu ungi nigire kira giothe mwena kahana mara moja
wewe kiothe wina kio na wewe kile kiothe wina kio muigirira haha
ni tutigathi
size
tire kindu
ndire
kindu
nywa moima
we ndo udaka nao
kaira ikire mwana
wewe wa ni mwire tu wakua
asa mbere ya mbere
ene gotie kugiana mutu ke twaruta tuige tundi kure twathi tumuye twamuige
we mutirute kile kiothe wina kio
muigirire nayo ya bia
tarekei ijoke
we
ora daga yo ora daga
Mwili wona goni mwili tu wako
Acha nile ya mbele mothe.
What?
Kai.
Nyamutie usupa. Yukitago
Wewe
kama.
kitu bekage na ihenya.
Siku hapo zote.
Twake hati huku mwina pesa. Mtodorute ginya thimu.
Thimu.
No turani nayo.
Twake kitu.
Oh, wako ni hizo ile. Taboni tena be.
Yo neno.
Haya.
Kwa sababu ni eno kile jega muno. Tutira kufanya kabisa.
Mutie kugua wana.
Niguo.
Mwana tade mwana.
Asa ndore mwana.
Okay. Wagua atia.
Kai wisi wacokereire iretu.
Ukauge.
Kai.
Taruta kile wewe.
Tagai.
Ule hidana mwitu hiki hata wewe.
Upira ama irati. Dola modo tebe.
Leo.
Kai.
Ayo wakaturaba kana.
Ile turehebete yo.
Nansi sasa eno akria gold.
No rute kile wewe na kio. Rute. Mimi ya rute.
Arato yaneki.
Moko entoni muri ati.
Niki.
Kai ginya ni.
Ke haya mutana pesa.
Wewe urehe. Rutabiri aina sio. Wewe ukua. Hili. Dakale da gua.
Munegere wena sio. Munegere ko.
Wewe ndesirabe.
Ihene gukuhe. Mane
Ya tuniyo kuhe, ni akone kira akune. Na akira we.
Tekere ora.
Wako, kosa ni. Dali tu fora.
No rutana inya. Niki kaji karirio uo. Tabonite isi.
Iskatare.
No kuri kuirete. Durute pia.
Ni turutage.
Ya kana. Pia.
Mwai kigo kugo. Kina mapesa mwega ni taji goku.
Tole kuire bia. Kina bia.
Sawa ne kai.
Ile turute bia kana okuine inya.
Ni pesa veri. Isire.
Ogota isi yako.
Pasa krabe.
Rane grabia tena madharau. Juge dikuoya. We.
Yakone kira akone ndutiumu.
Utaingie jewe na bia.
Aigua gathe. Asa no ngurige ngutue mahuri we.
Kaiga kaniki kajigirio.
Aure bebe.
Ai.
Kayo hapo bita. Sikosa
Winobige kaiga.
Matire.
Wina maana
Matire nesiothe ni woya.
No grute guzo de wa yakone bini si.
Mafio ni woya siothe.
Wina ma.
Hado horu tu guo ri ruta ciothe.
Ni ndarute.
Na mukaria. Muraraniria atia.
Tutiareti.
Watu wewe konokete utakia na wewe mwene hau na materu.
Ngoi iki. Wewe kayetu ni watikie bibi.
Mihi matire. Siothe ndakunengera.
Gua wana ukua tari wa kate.
Ndikio kuwa wana.
Wisi wacokereire iretu.
Ukauge. We warie ringi we ukuregwo ni gikuwe.
Akuha hotu.
Ni indo ciothe.
Ni kaige tiga kindu. Azia tukita kumathaitha. Abaga ukita guthukume rutwe no aigu.
Tike sapa.
Tutirugite.
Ati mutirugite. Mutirugite ciaye.
Muikareti ha mutekuria kindu.
Tutire ki.
Mutara kuria story.
Ne thirire.
Wasoma maini guku manyithie guku. Rangi manyu kinya maini.
Yetu.
Andu.
Tiga kurira nduka make. No igu.
Andu agukwa kwa mena mima na mbeca. Ati ni theru maho.
No me turacoke indo ici ciothe kwanja gite giki.
Kai mungu we indo.
Ciothe na ndigo.
Mama ito maya moera ndithie na mo. Wetera ndithie kuvu mwene wena gikira giki giaku. Twacoka sawa sawa.
Sawa sawa.
Tunaru.
Munaru. Kai. Mutigatura.
Jibu mugambite. Nigua. Kwanja we uhana kurira we. Jibu.
Asa wiki wiki na gua ginya.
Iritu.
Aga tagie tu nego. Negua.
No akwenda ciothe.
Ni.
Kana tuwe kinya ngirathi we.
Tia kodra andu.
No gimon.
Kai.
Takataka gathia gathuri giki githorogo na ndungigua thoni.
Ne mathie.
Orahorwo ni tomondo tuyana mesa kwe.
Matiuke.
Nenehirie mwiri.
Matiuke kwanja ruka ukairetu karanyitira mucinga gatiuke.
Takataka gathia gaka no ngemuona no uge ni githuri kina kuria kiri. Ndiraihonore ciria mbeca icio ngoruta ku.
Ngai kamato ya wambia kwaria gikuyu.
We ndigithia atwaririe.
Na ndo njirire ndu nginya kwaria gikuyu.
We ndigithia no ni andagiukire na kiria na kimako.
Kai atiriri. Turaiyo atia ne twana tunini.
We na niguo ndarigwo no niguo we na mwiri uigana itangi.
Kai okumetwo thutha.
niĩ ngaumwo thutha
turanege no guo tokona matithiete ngai turaiywo atia serious we turaiywo atia
abacokie mwĩrĩ haha no mbeca icio ndutĩte kũ
we kwanja tamba ũnjĩre atĩrĩrĩ mbeca ũraruta njegeka ka wĩ mũkora we
tigana na niĩ wĩra ũcio wa Instagram ngũnĩga gathuri kangĩ gakũrũ ngũhamba icithĩtie kahe mbeca ũcoke ũke haha ũnjĩre atĩ no njĩire rũgoko tamba ũhe mbeca cokeria mbeca ciakwa
njio njoke ngũrutĩre kũ mbeca
rehe ciringi 30 cia nduthi niĩ ndirathiĩ ũguo
niĩ ndarigwo atĩrĩrĩ mbeca ũraruta na gũkũ nyondo-inĩ ingĩ ũrahitha na gũkũ makagarĩ-inĩ ingĩ nakũ
nĩ ciaku
kawe mũitũ we
nĩ to ciakwa
ũguo na Instagram nĩ mĩitũ ihũire kuo
no wakũ rĩu we ũrethaga mĩitũ
mũndũ angĩkorwo areciria wĩ mũirĩtu wa bata no hatirĩ wĩra
aba we bĩa ni ũrethia ndĩrathi magũrũ
ũrathiĩ ndũthiĩ we mũithikiri haha lift ũheo lift haha
ndĩrathi magũrũ ũhe
niĩ ndirĩ na mbeca nĩ ndaiywo
thiĩ ũribaribe magoti nĩndĩramenya matingĩaga kumaga ciringi
kana twĩke ũguo you know a couple starts from scratch twanjie from scratch no iguana maiga nĩ maroka kũiya twanjie nayo from scratch
kaponea
by the way
niĩ ndigwo haha tũkĩiywo na gĩtahũnyĩ kĩa mũthuri ũtangĩnginya njũrĩria wena waku we tarekethio ngathiĩ magũrũ ũkĩra njikare haha
ũthiĩ na maũndige ngĩrathwo
nĩ tigwo kĩrathwo tiga kũrathwo ona wenda gũkua rĩwe ũtarĩ ũrarathwo nĩ haku niĩ ndathiĩ gũkũ ndiĩtinda
kwenda wewe
ndathiĩ
ngai
thiĩ biũ kwenda kabisa gĩthurĩrie thũrũgũ ĩno
ndaigua ndamena kĩhiki kĩu ngai atĩrĩ
ai mũgĩgathe
mũgĩ
ndona tũrĩ nyenje
niĩ njĩkire ũguo mũhikia ndagĩũka niĩ ndamba atĩ transport rĩ ngiri cigana indo iria aranjĩtia rĩ niĩ ndamenya atĩrĩ reke njĩtie na nĩ ndona atĩrĩ reke ndĩmwe SMS ndĩmwĩre mũke mũnjie na inyuĩ mwabanga wega banga iwe kĩrĩ mũici gakenia
nĩ professional
atĩrĩrĩ
ndakona kahiũkara kũhũthagĩra akĩrĩ gabugia akĩrĩ gũticia
no ũndũ ũrĩa ndaharigwo rĩ mwaruta kũmũcinga
nĩ toĩ
na nĩguo mũtũmakĩtie kĩha
ona twamenye na kana kangĩ na haha gakuĩte no ĩkorwo kĩria njĩra tũtize kairĩtu
no ndamba ndaharigwo atĩrĩ wĩtĩkie nĩ kamũitũ mwana kararuta nginya mbeca
nĩ kũmenyaga kau kena
na gacoka gaikia na
tũirĩtu twa Instagram tũirĩtu tũkoragwo kangi kahithĩte gũkũ kũrĩarĩa tũthee tũkũrũ tũkawa tũthee tũkũrũ tũtarĩa mainĩrwo
imagine budget rĩ na ngiri 75 na hĩndĩ mũndũ aingĩra
75
nĩ tarĩa mbere mũndũ aingĩra spend ngiri 75
na we ngiri 10 nĩ ũrĩ wanyitara mo
rĩu ona tiga ngiri 10 njũĩ ndĩhehereire ciake ngiri 3 cia atĩ nĩ Uber mũndũ ahaice Uber na Taxify atĩ na nduthi
nĩkũhenia gokire na nduthi kana kanyuvia kĩrĩa rori ici cia kũgucia mai rĩu rĩ tuirĩtu rĩ tũgorwo twĩtũmi rĩu hagatindagĩra kia andũ rĩ reke tũgĩkaio mũndũ
rĩu ici mwena
rĩ reke ngahũrithie
rĩu mbeca rĩ ona ndacoka
thimũ nĩ
yakwa kwenda
ĩno nĩ yake ĩno nĩyo tũrendia ĩno nĩ tũkũhũrithia
rĩu rĩ he tacoki mbeca icio ciakwa tabore ici ndĩmũre rĩu nĩ mwaruta wĩra mwega rĩu ona mũgwĩka ũguo tambai mũnyite cia cai
ici ndũngĩatũtigĩra mũndũ wena
cianyu nĩ ici Casey. Kĩndũ gĩothe mũirĩtu ũcio kũnungaga nĩwona maraci maihũire
hau no tũirĩtu rĩ gũthondekagĩrwo maraci nĩguo woke kaingĩ mbagi ĩno rĩ tondũ kĩrĩ mũtumia na mindi
ĩyo na no ũthiĩ
ĩno ĩkethi nayo
na ngũrie tũtanathiĩ mũkutanĩte kũna
rĩu niĩ Instagram tũkoretwo tũgĩchati nake Instagram niĩ rĩ kandirakĩwe mũndũ nĩ mũitũ rĩu mũndũ ekwenda emenyerere rĩrĩ ũkĩaria na mũndũ Instagram ũyũ nĩ mũndũ ũhana atĩa
ona ndũĩ kana nĩ mũirũ kana nĩ mwerũ
rĩu nona ũcio nĩ mũkora
ona kabatawe he gathe kangi gũcemania nako gathe rĩ kĩraka gateithia atumia gĩtuo na tũcuku gathe gũtũmĩrwo mbica kĩrĩa Instagram icio kairĩtu kanyanya gũthakara kairĩtu kerũ kĩathokete akora nĩ cũcũ mũno rĩ arĩa thaingĩrĩte mbabu athokire mũigirwo afurahi
he ũngĩ he nganda ĩtagwo Gathogo wamũrire gwĩka ũguo akadeti kĩmwe kĩa Instagram akona kĩna hips njega nĩ kĩega nĩ kĩnoru wega
kĩna rĩo
mwĩraga kabatani
mathiĩ kũrĩa nyũmba rĩ Gathogo ndaragĩciria mũhiki nĩ mũtungu wega reke ngũĩre amũnyitire ũguo atĩ nĩ hagi aramũhe na thutha amũnyita moko ndineke huho ya tabaruna Instagram.